Okay, here we are at the end of the chapter that's introducing engineering graphics to you. And here we're looking at our computer drawing and modeling. And just to kind of give you a little history, and we're looking at basically back in 1984 when AutoCAD got started. That was made possible by the new IBM PC that was not very powerful, but the software programs weren't either, and AutoCAD was pretty clunky. So first of all, they were either black and white or amber screens and so forth, and no color, and the drawings kind of looked like Lego blocks. And we've progressed from that to full-blown three-dimensional type of drawings, and being able to model a product or a building completely and know how everything fits together. So everything's becoming smaller and faster, although true computer-aided drafting workstations still use a tower in most cases. Most companies can afford those. There are a few smaller processor type systems that's all built into a monitor. But at any rate, we can now transfer our sketches to a CAD model, CAD screen, and then model those or do them in 2D. But more and more systems, engineering departments are modeling first, creating the model, and then generating the two-dimensional drawing from that. But before that ever happens, the designer or engineer or architect may be actually working out in the field, at meetings and boardrooms, clients' offices, and actually collecting information that way first, and then going to a modeler or going to a two-dimensional drawing. On the next page we see a artifact, an old plotter. Probably find these in a museum, because now everything that we do print out is done on an inkjet or a laser type of printer. We still have to have the hard copy for the tradesman or for the craftsman to build or manufacture the parts, and then we can take our CAD information and actually send it to a post-processing computer integrated manufacturing software, and they can turn that into machine code, and the parts can be manufactured at the machine. Another way that we can prototype or actually even make working models, working parts, is through rapid prototyping. It's called a stereolithography, where they actually build in 3 dimensions, a layer at a time, any part that you can imagine, and draw inside of a CAD system. So here you see a propeller that was actually built a layer at a time from the CAD modeling information. So this concludes our review of the introduction chapter for engineering graphics textbook and for our drafting fundamentals. And now we're going to the next video that you watch will be a demonstration by me of the scale practice that you're going to do. So no sketching yet. You got to learn how to measure first, at least remotely, and then we're going to start looking at sketching technique after that. So see you in just a little bit.